Guys, hi. We're going on a little bit of an adventure today. We're going to the riverfront beach and we're just taking a long walk, going to the park, Whitler Park. I have not been yet, so wait, how fast are you going? So we're just chilling down here for a bit. How many miles away are we from home?
4.2 miles.
4.2 miles, and I can feel it just the same from home. Those planes that take off, I can feel it rumbling miles away. I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. We had to walk about 400 feet up a really steep incline. My legs aren't used to that. It'll be 2 days and I'll be complaining.